Okay, so we're going to start with our worksheet. We're going to use our Cookie Man right here and show you what these actually mean on the paper. So the first box says what? It says translation slide. So what we're going to do with our Cookie Man is just slide him across. That's all that means. Translation or slide means it slid. Okay? Now we're going to go down to the rotation term. Might make this a little bit bigger. There we go. So we take the Cookie Man and he rotates or turns this way. His feet stay facing the dot, but he has turned that way, okay? Now, to show you, let's turn him back around, show you what reflection means, is that remember the reflection is going to flip. So the image is going to flip around to the opposite side. So if the Cookie Man were to flip, it would probably look something like this, okay? Just meant you did like a circle and turned around, flip. You see his head still at the top, feet still at the bottom. He just did a little flip.